your girl.
What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl Queen Bougie, and I am back with another video. We are going to be doing a wig tutorial today. We are going to be using 16, 18, 20-inch body wave bundles and a 14-inch 4x4 HD closure from, of course, Bougie Lifestyle Collection. If you bougie babes want to shop this look, all of the details will be in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications from when I do upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, how you doing? Hey boo. Hey, let's get into the video. Alright, so we are done sewing down the closure. As you can see, the stitching is close together. It is pulled tight, and everything is laying flat. This helps with the longevity of the unit, you guys. I keep telling you this in every video, but I'm just letting you know that this helps with the longevity to make sure that your stitching is close together and everything is pulled tight. Now it's time to sew the bundles. Of course, you want to start off with your 20-inch bundle first, and it's the quality for me. It's the quality for me, you guys. Like, if you're not shopping the bougie way, you're simply doing it wrong. Like, I don't know what else to say. Alright, so just like in my previous videos, for the first bundle, you are going to double the width. This helps with the fullness of the unit. I don't know about you guys, but I do not like thin wigs. I like my wigs to look full and natural. When initially putting the bundle on, you are going to put the needle and thread through the weft of the bundle, and then for the second time you pass it through, you're going to go underneath the weft and pull it through and tie a knot. This will make sure that it does not move or budge or anything of that nature when wearing the unit. Alright, so we have finished sewing the unit. Now what we are doing is taking the T-pins out, and then we're going to cut the black mesh part underneath the closure. So you're going to take your BW2 powder and your 40 volume developer, and you are going to mix it together. You don't want it to be runny, and you don't want it to be super duper thick. You want it to be in the middle. You don't want it to be runny so it doesn't seep through and bleach through to the hair. And you are going to leave it on for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So the wig has dried overnight, air dried overnight. Now we are just parting it down the middle. This is going to be a middle part unit. So we're just parting it down the middle. Then we are going to get our Care wax stick and put it towards the part, of course, and towards the front. And then we're going to take our hot comb and hot comb it flat. And what I'm doing right here is I'm just sectioning off the hair that's going to be for the baby hairs. And I'm just plucking the part just to make the part straighter. You don't have to do this step. You can just part it regularly and wear it that way. I just like to do it this way. It makes it look more natural for me and less wiggy. So I already cut and styled the baby hairs off camera, and this is just the outcome of the baby hairs. Now what I'm just going to do is finish styling it. I am just going to put a little water and conditioner that I do have mixed up in my spray bottle and spray it all over the hair and scrunch it up, and just, you know, give it the body wave texture, its normal texture that it is. Alright, Bougie Babe, so this is the final product of the unit. Again, as I stated, she was made with 16, 18, 20-inch body wave bundles with a 14-inch 4x4 HD closure. All of the details and everything will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get notifications for when I upload a new